This episode talks about what is nest folder. Nest folder is kind of structure that means a folder has one or many folders inside. So first one, we open our main folder. Left click the blank space and right click and select new and left click the folder. So a new folder is created. Name the folder as picture. Then we turn back to your desktop. You will find this PC icon in your desktop and double click this and find the picture folders and double click it. And then you can see a camera roll folder. Double click it and you can see your photo inside. Right click your photo and select cut or press Ctrl and X. Turn back to main folder and double click the picture folder to open it. Then right click on the blank space and select paste or press Ctrl and V. Then you will see your picture here. Finally, you can click back to go to previous folder. So now let's do the actual operation now. So first one, double click your main folder to open it. Then and move to new to select folders. Then you create a new folder and we name it as picture and press enter to save it. Then we go back to background to find this PC icon. Double click it and find pictures folders. Then you will see a folder named as camera roll. Double click it to open. You will see your picture over here. Then click the picture and press Ctrl and C to copy it. And then we go back to main folder here and double click pictures folder and press Ctrl and V to paste your picture here. And now you can press go back to go to the previous folder. So when do you use nest folder structure? Let me take an example. If I have a works folder here, there is very messy. So I created a folder named as ebook. And I put all the PPT files here. You can press Ctrl and use left click to select all you want and drag them to the folder. And I create a new folder, accounting. As I said, I press Ctrl first and select what I want to select file and put that into the folder. And now you can double click the folders to check all the file is classified. So that is why we use nest folder here.